If you need to package gummies, stick packs, powder, nuts, or other products into pouches, this Premade pouch packaging machine helps you out. With a maximum output of 50 pouches per minute, this machine performs automated operations, including pouch picking, batch number imprinting, pouch opening, pouch enlarging, product feeding into pouches, pouch closing, heat sealing, embossing, and discharge. First mention adaptability. Stand-up pouches, zipper pouches, multi-size sealed pouches. This machine handles bagging of different bag specifications. Need to change your pouch type? It's easy to adjust the conveyor belt width with one touch. Using an automatic motor-driven pouch width adjustment system, pouch changeover can be done within 2 minutes. With the help of easy clamp width adjustment to fit different pouch types. Moreover, feeding methods are customized. This machine employs a multi-head combination weighers for feeding operations. You may also opt for a counting machine, a powder feeder, or liquid injectors for feeding. Precision guaranteed. Field weight deviation less than 1 gram. Let's take a look at a multi-head weigher that handles precise feeding. Through collaborative and synchronized calculation of multiple weighing units, the target field weight can be fast achieved via quick combination calculation. Product qualification rate reaches up to 99.4%. Equipped with numerous sensors, the machine ensures no filling when pouches are missing. No sealing when material is absent, and automatic shutdown if batch coding is missing, thereby improving qualification rates. Significantly, 100ES indexing batch delivers high precision to the turret rotation, ensuring precise processing station operation. Further ensuring reliability, this machine's electric components are sourced from top-tier manufacturers, such as inverters and PLC from Siemens, air circuit breakers and AC contactors from Schneider, relays from Onren. If you need more details, please send us messages.